everyone. Today I want to share something important with you. Can I have 10 minutes of your time?
Yes.
Every day in school I have fun learning a lot of things in my IDIC classroom. I want to teach you something today. I will be doing an IDIC I teach activity. In this activity I will be teaching you what I have learnt in my school. First of all, we learn the differences between solution, suspension and colloid. A solution is a homogeneous mixture of two or more substances. A suspension is a heterogeneous mixture in which very fine particles of solid are dispersed in any medium. A colloid in which the size of particles lies between two solution and suspension. Now we'll learn these differences through an experiment. First of all, we take water, oil, 3-4 grams sugar, cornstarch, laser light, 3 disposal glasses and the 3 cardboard plates. Now we take water in first glass. We also take water in second glass. We take oil in third glass. We add 3-4 grams sugar in first glass and stir them. We add cornstarch in second glass and mix them. Now we take laser light. When we passes light through a true solution, the light will passes and the image is formed on cardboard plate. When we passes light in suspension, the light will also passes and the image is formed on cardboard plate. When we passes light through an colloid solution, the light will scatter and image is dispersed in any medium. What happened here? The scattering of light in colloid solution is called Tyndall effect. It was discovered by John Tyndall. The scatter of light observed through suspension and solution. The light may be scattered in suspension if the suspended particles are partly large, and it was opaque does not scatter light because its particles are too small. Thank you for your time. Did you understand what I was teaching you?
Yes.
Are you happy with how I taught you?
Yes.
Thank you.